Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. How are you? Today I am participating in the Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice 22 collab with Emily from Emily's Paper Caper and Leanne's Fashionably 50 Something and Beyond. Those ladies are the host of this collab. What you will see here is a collab about everything pumpkin spice related. You'll either see some pumpkin spice crafts, some hauls, some baked goods, and more. In the description box, I will enter all the names of all the ladies who are participating in this collab, and I hope that you would click on each one of those listings and go over to their channel and see what these wonderful ladies will be making as part of the collab. So let me first thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video, and I hope you enjoyed the videos of the others. I hope you give them all a thumbs up, and if you are not already a subscriber to those channels, please press the subscribe button. So thank you, and let's get started with what I made. So the first thing I made was a pumpkin spice drink tag. So I got these. I had these last year. Remember these, everybody? They had these at the dollar store. So I got them, put some paper on, and then we were all hauling this laser iridescent paste. So I used that for the foam that they put on the top. I stamped out the words pumpkin spice and everything nice, I think this paper is from Hobby Lobby also. It's all about pumpkins and pumpkin pie and Thanksgiving and all the goodness there. I added some dollar store trim where they have the leaf and just a orange ribbon. And behind the cups of pumpkin spice drink latte, there's these leaves from the dollar store. So that's my first make. The second make was, I have this basket that I purchased. I'm hoping I'm up enough so you can see it. Let me move my camera up a little bit so you can see it. There it is. I'm hoping you can see it. I have this basket that I bought a while back from Hobby Lobby, and I think it had like something summer in it, but I wanted to keep it in order to, every season, I wanted to change it around. So since this was a pumpkin spice collab, I added lots of pumpkins from Dollar Tree. I also added some nice orange, I think those are berries. I added some sunflowers, lots of those Dollar Tree leaves, a gourd, and it's with my welcome sign. So I will be hanging this up in my foyer in my house. And this is my pumpkin spice, pumpkiny pumpkin welcome sign. So this is my second make for the collab. And also this is a Dollar Tree flower here, the one with the gold. So I think it came out really pretty, and I think it's going to hang really nicely in my foyer for the fall season. Tell me what you think, and if you get one of these basket things, take it. It was on sale. I think I got it for like $3 or something, $5 or something like that. Take it and just change it for every season, and it says welcome. So when people come into my house, they'll see it, and also my flower arrangement that I put in it. So tell me what you think of it. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to visit the other ladies that will be listed below. And thank you, Emily and Lene, for letting me join your collab. And I hope you all have a nice day. Be the reason somebody smiles. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye now.